So you guys, I'm just going to pick up a quiche for my husband and also it's Saturday, so I'm treating myself. So I'm also picking up a panini. I'm at Petite Paris French Cafe and Bakery. Oh, you guys, look at this. I love me some French bread. I can't wait to go back to Paris. Oh my god. Dark grade robust maple with syrup. Tamara picking up. Thank you. So this is the quiche that I ordered. I wanted the spinach one. Do you have that one? Oh, they did it already? Yeah. Okay, did it have spinach?
Yeah, spinach and mushroom.
Oh, I don't eat pork. Look how fancy this roll is though. Oh my god, everything here speaks Paris. This is where I come when I want to be reminded. Look at some of the things that you can order. Oh my god, look at the different menus, like so many French things that you can order, from salads to sandwiches to panini, yeah, grilled sandwiches, wraps, coffee, fresh juices. Kombucha.
$16.
Yeah, thank you. This is fermented. How much was this one?
26.
That's fine. Yeah, so this one is the gingerberry, and this one is the. Oh, I'm gonna change this one. This has lime and cayenne. Hold on a second. I'm gonna go with the sweet. I'm gonna go with the sweet rose, guys. Gingerberry. Same man. My husband actually loves the quiche.
Oh.
Hey guys, so I just left my favorite Parisian store. So yeah, that's that. So you guys, I'm going to try this kombucha. And remember that kombucha is like a fermented beverage that is it's good for gut health, clean out your intestines. You can actually make kombucha at home as well, but I guess if you are if you're out and you're like having like a little splurge day, you can buy it. See, I work with my little opener all the time, and let's I shake it up. I'm gonna have to let it see, I'm gonna have to crack it a little and let some of the air out. So let me just give you a backstory on kombucha. It says, what is kombucha? So you can see it right here. Oh, that's very clear. So it gives you an idea as to what kombucha is. So I'm just going to tell you. So I'm going to give you a heads up on the bottle. See, rich in probiotics, small batches brewed. I want to make sure that it's since 2008, and just wanted to be able to get an idea. Right, handcrafted. See that? And this one is gingerberry, and this is how the back of it looks. And I'm going to tell you what it says. So kombucha is a fermented tea, which I mentioned before, that is naturally effervescent. Drink it in the morning to kickstart your day, or as an afternoon pick-me-up, or as a sundowner. So this is a afternoon kick for me right now. So it's the afternoon pick-me-up, and it says drink within a week of opening, good for 3 months unopened, right? So it's down here. I'm reading the information right here now, so let's look at this part. Right, so basically this detoxifies, and it's it alkalizes your body, strengthens immune system, balances your metabolism, boosts energy. It has probiotics, antioxidants, essential amino acids, vitamin B and C. So just in case you've never heard about kombucha tea before, this is, as I said, it's very good for your gut health. It's very good as a protective layer for your intestines. It is fermented, can be helpful as it relates to good gut bacteria, and that's why we suggest it as a probiotic for some persons who may be having bloating. If you just feel as if your gut is unsettled, then the kombucha tea is always something that you can use. Same thing with sauerkraut, sauerkraut is like fermented cabbage as well, so you can do stuff like that. So here we go with this. As I said, I have to take my time, because eventually you want to shake it up, but at the end of the day, you know, it's gonna be a little fizzy. So what you do is you squeeze and release some of the gases first before you open it, because you don't want it spraying all over the place, you guys. Yeah, wow. All right, here we go. So it's open, so let's go. So it's tangy, and it's not sweet at all, so don't expect it to be sweet. It's a little carbonated, and it's because it's fermented, so just understand that part. All right, yes, and we're ready to go now. So as a dietitian, I do recommend this, the kombucha tea. As I said, you can brew it at home yourself if you get the products and you have the time. But also, if you don't have the time and you see it, you can always get it if you're trying to settle your gut with something. So I got one for my hubby as well. Oh, and I think you did see this one. So this one is the Tulsi Sweet Rose, okay, or rosé if you may want if you want to be fancy. So you guys, we have come to the end of another of my videos, and I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Just remember to click the notification bell, also hit the subscription button if you have not yet subscribed, and also leave a comment below, you guys, so I know that you're watching. And I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget to share as well.